Yes, my people, I'm demolishing this chicken. But you know, there's a special way to cut chicken. So you cut it, when you're cutting chicken, you always cut it by the joint. Like this. There's a joint right here. The drumstick right here, you just cut it like this. Like that. It's go right through the joint. You see that? You don't have to chop it. Right to the joint. You just cut it right there and you go right through. There you go. Today we are going to make Korean chicken. So we're making Korean fried chicken today. So I'm cutting my chicken, cleaning it. Look at that cut. Clean. Korean fried chicken day today. It's gonna be epic. You see how easy cut when you cut into the joint? Watch again, one more time. The last cut into the joint. See that? Look at it. Take it up right into the joint. Your knife have to be very sharp though. Then you just cut this from the back, right underneath here. All joint. So there's a special way to cut chicken. I strip the fat off my chicken. So I come down the middle. Down the middle. Slip. Straight down the middle. Straight down the middle. Like that. Straight down the middle. Straight down. That's the breast. I cut my breast straight way like that. Data code. My chicken because these they don't get it off. After I clean my chicken like this, then I'm going to get my vinegar to wash my chicken. I'm moving all the excessive fat and all of that. That's a code. So I'm gonna use some vinegar to wash my chicken. Vinegar and lemon I'm gonna use. Wash my chicken. I like to clean my chicken properly with. So yes, my people. Today we're making, yes, my people. So I was inspired by Roy Troy recipe, how to make Korean fried chicken. Now I'm gonna brine the chicken and leave it overnight, and tomorrow then I'm going to fry the chicken for you. So come along with me and watch me brine the chicken. Watch. Now I have a little water in my pot. I'm gonna add one glass of milk. So, you know I'm a Jamaican, so I'm gonna change it up a little bit, okay? So I'm gonna put scallion. Three stalk of scallion. I'm gonna put a lemon. Lemon juice. Basically, I'm gonna just leave this skin in there. Just like that. And my ginger. I'm gonna add a little sugar. You can add however much sugar you want. And then I'm putting in my chicken for it to soak overnight. Okay, I'm back on it again, my people. This is day 2 after I put my chicken. I have my chicken to marinate overnight, and then I'm gonna pre-cook it, and I'm gonna pre-cook it for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna get prepared to fry it. Okay. Fried chicken, my bad. So it's on the fire with all my spice, everything is inside. I'm gonna let it boil for 10 minutes. cooking my chicken for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna build up the temp on my oil. I want to build it up until 350 degrees. I don't have a thermometer, but I know I have a good judgment. I'm gonna add some garlic and habanero into my grease. That's my favorite. Garlic and pimento. And pimento. That's about it. So I think my chicken come to temp right now. It's 10 minutes. And that's great. That's great. I'm going to strain it off right now. Oh, this thing smells really good. It smells really, really, really good. Let me get this over here. While my oil is getting temp, I'm going to season my flour. I'm going to add my chicken seasoning, Jamaican style. Yeah, chicken seasoning. And my total seasoning. Also my garlic powder. And my all-purpose. Then I'm gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna whisk it up together. That's good. So after I whisk this together, my oil is not up to 300 yet. I'm waiting on it to get to 350 degrees. That's cool. I'm going to put my chicken in my flour first. My chicken, I'm going to flour it first. Make sure you get flour all the way. Now my oil is about 320. It's coming. It's coming. Soon be there. While I'm flouring my chicken, make sure all my chicken get flour. Then I'm gonna put it into the butter. Right into the butter. Look at that. Then I'm going to sit it right from the butter to the grease. And I'm going to repeat that process. I'm gonna repeat that process over and over and over. I'm removing my continue repeating my process over and over. Look at that. After pre-cooking my chicken and put it in the butter, look at it. Look how crispy it is. That's my Korean chicken. That is it. Thank you, Jesus. I made it.
Right? It's so much a part of what I want them to learn and how this these great formative memories of thinking they were me and oh mom, I used to make this. Also H is a great cook. Is he really?
That is into a mountain Korean fried chicken. Now,
So here's your bone. Oh, I see. And then you just it's like first one still. Yeah. Okay. Now you don't have to stress about all the little pieces in it because they're not all this stuff I look at beautiful tasting.
so this is the final of my product. So tell a friend to tell a friend to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget. That's all I'm asking. Peace and love.